Brent Solomon here. I want to fill you in on efforts happening right now to help tornado victims who lost their homes. Of course, it's been nearly 6 months since that tornado devastated North City. Right now, there's a group called Dream Builders for Equity. You may have heard of it. It teaches young people, teenagers in our area, financial literacy and how to construct and rehab homes. Now, that group is helping provide relocation assistance for tornado victims who lost their properties. All you have to do is sign up and say you have a need. They will move your entire home for you at no charge at all. This comes as city leaders announced Thursday stepped up efforts to help get tornado victims into new shelter ahead of winter. Right now, about $13 million. That's how much they're looking at to make several efforts possible to provide relocation help for people, including extending hours at shelters, making sure that there are warming buses, even providing rent or a deposit for a new home. You can learn much more about all of these efforts right now on KSDK.com.